Hello guys, we're gonna reset a maintenance light on S80 2007. You gotta check if your car has this button right here, the trip button. So we're gonna work with that one and the start stop button too. I'm gonna remove the key. Car is off at this moment, so putting the key in. Okay, I'm gonna push the trip button. We're gonna hold it down and we're gonna start stop button. I'm gonna push it once. Okay, it took too long. Okay, hold the trip button once. The second time we're gonna hold it down. So on the dash, you can see right here, we're gonna see this symbol. It's gotta blink twice. So let me do it again. See if I can do it with one hand. Turn off the car. Push trip button. Pushing it. Start stop. One. Second time I hold it down. So the eye got two. There you go. And we let go of the trip button after the second time it blinks the exclamation mark. So let's do it again. Trip button. Insert the key. Hold down trip button. Push it one. Second time we hold it down. And we're gonna wait on the dashboard, the cluster. We're gonna wait for that. 1, 2. We let go of the trip button. Should be reset. So no vehicle message at this time. You're just gonna use those two buttons. Don't push on the brakes, because if you do, it's gonna turn, the car's gonna turn on. So that's pretty much it. Remember, if your car has this button here, you have to do it through here. And there's other setting that you do it here, but it's with a newer car. So all right, thank you.